How to apply CapCut Template Creator. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, all you gotta do is head over to your application CapCut. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, at the bottom you can see tons of different features. You need to head over to templates. And then in the search bar, you need to search for 7AHSKI. And then click on this code. It will land you on the space where you will be able to apply to be your template creator. You simply need to click on Apply Now. Right over here you can see it says this application form is currently unavailable in your country or region. Stay tuned for application updates on your profile or form inbox notifications, which means that applying template creator is not available in my country, but for you, if it is available, then you have to fill up the form. Once you fill all the detailed information, tap on submit. After 24 hours, they will accept your request and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.